What the hell, EAR-10? Why'd you go for a tornado?
This is the National Weather Service in the Quad Cities. So proceeding severe will detect the weather radio public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special bill receivers are automatically activated by the signal for warning and this test is normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 p.m. and 12 noon.
Oh my god.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the weather alarm will be activated for elections and warnings affecting parts of eastern Iowa, northwest and west central Illinois, southwest Wisconsin, and northeast Missouri. This concludes the weekly test of the weather radio public warning systems. We now return to normal programming.
All right. Now you decide to activate.
The lows in the mid-70s.
All right.
Chance of rain 50%. The test will be postponed until the first good weather date. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you're listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming. Here is the latest National Weather Service. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, eastern Minnesota, southeastern La Crosse County in west central Wisconsin, northwestern Vernon County in southwestern Wisconsin, until 3 p.m. At 2:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hoka, or 7 miles southwest of La Crescent, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near La Crescent and Hoka around 2:20 p.m. La Crosse around 2:25 p.m. Brownsville around 2:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mount La Crosse, Brinkman Ridge, Irish Hill, Highway 44 and Sandon Road, Highway 33 and County OA, County Roads 3 and 24, and Highway 33 and Lassie Boulevard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following county: Houston, Minnesota, and the following counties in Wisconsin, La Crosse, and Vernon.